not your own. So that is the reason why I can imagine in 1979 when I was given a small shade in Kohli that took after a lot of efforts. Just to get a deal, I had to go 18 kilometers either side. I had either to come to Patti or to Kota. So that was the situation at that time. There was not even a cup of tea which was available in the surrounding. I had to go 1 kilometer even to search a tea. But then that hard work has paid today. Because today I know from where I have grown and I know what is essential for setting up a plant. I have learned the hard way. Today you get it all on a platter. But please not do any copy-paste jobs. Because that will lead you nowhere. Every story has to be a fresh story. Every initiative has to be a fresh initiative. Every innovation has to be a fresh innovation. And I would again like to tell you, when you are being innovative, try to be inclusive as well as exclusive. Now exclusive, I have told you how to be. Throw your idea on others and get the feedbacks. See if they can build on it. See if they can help you to make it grow. See if they can, give you a new dimension to it. And what is being inclusive? Go for more. Go for finer aspects. Learn more about it. See where you can improve upon yourself. See what is missing in it. There must be something which could be the missing link. Try to build on that. And when you go ahead, I am sure there will be no looking back. And I tell you one more thing. First and foremost, make your product such that you should be proud of it. Unless you are proud about your own product, somebody else will not appreciate it. You can't expect somebody else to be proud of your product when you are not comfortable with it. So have that confidence in you. Build that confidence in you. What is very, very important is building confidence within yourself. There are few things which I would like to tell you which I have been able to get through. See, believe in yourself. First and foremost, you have to believe in yourself that you can make it happen. Believe that you are a charismatic individual who articulates plans well. That you can make a plan of your own. That you have got that capability of making an innovative thinking and innovative product coming to life with your own, way of thinking. Yes, when I go to the market, I find that this is something which is essential for the society, essential for the mankind, and it is not available. I have to run from pillar to post. Why can't I make it available? It can come from that source. Or it can come from a source where this is something which I can get and I don't know how to put it across, and that is where you start thinking, yes, this has to reach the people, this has to reach the masses so that it will benefit them. So I have to think about making an awareness plan of this product for the people. Now these are the things which you should start, then imagine yourself to be a skillful manager. What a skillful manager has to have in it. What does it require? When I am going to put in a certain project, I need certain people along with me. Gather those people. Start building up your resources. Start finding where the raw material will come from. Start thinking as to what exactly you are designed to do. Exactly where you are going to project it. Where you are going to target it. What are you going to see? All these skills, all these ideas has to be within yourself. Having a product and then going out in the market will not solve the cause. See, basically you are all here because you have got a basic technical knowledge. Okay, and you are building on it. So what is that you need to make necessary? Is that you are only putting a cap, a finer element of aesthetic where you have already sown a seed. you are making it look beautiful. You are making it appreciated by the people. You are making it liked by the people. You are making it wanted by the people. That is what is needed. With the help of your technical knowledge, you have to make this happen. And then you need to be energetic to the point of being driven. Tomorrow, if you are, locked to a wall, you should be able to penetrate that wall and say, yes, I have done it. That sort of, energy has, you have to be, you may call it crazy, you may call it whatever, but you need to have that whimsical attitude that, yes, come what may, I am going to get it. I am going to get it. But then, see, you must be able to take the criticism also. You must be able to take, because there may be people who would like to, say, yes, this is, but criticism for the sake of criticism can be shut down. But criticism where it is actually constructive criticism has to be given due credence. And then you may think, yes, I can change a slider bit here, where my benefit is more. So you need to have that openness also. So you need to be inclusive also. As long as you are, able to withstand all that thing and come out with a solution. And believe me, every problem has a solution. Because there cannot be a problem without solution. That is 100%. And you are, learned people, if you can't find solution, who can? So think in that direction, think in positive direction, think in a direction where when you are faulted, you are finding a solution to overcome that fault. There are things, sometimes we feel, see, there are so many things which can happen. Like, in management, when I go ahead and I start a project and I start a plan, there may be certain things which I have not, taken due credence. Like marketing, I have been overconfident that market will accept. But why should market accept? Unless there is something, which is really a USP, something which is better than the others, why should he accept? So he need to be convinced that this is a little better than that, or little, economic than whatever. But then I need to push forward my years, and in that case, I need to overcome the hurdle of marketing. Secondly, I put the product in market, but don't think that the money comes immediately once you put the product in market. Because there are times when you might have to give it to credit also, and you have to, design it accordingly. But then, most of the time we start our business without taking any cushion with us, and that is the time when we falter. And most of the time these bankers say, why don't you take so much, you take this much and start. They are the first people who put you in trouble. They don't understand that you need that cushion because it's going to be in the market and the rest is required for your running of the business. Now this is something which you have not envisaged. Then that is the second hurdle. Now these are all hurdles which you need to think over first and have, you should always think in advance to overcome these difficulties. So having said that, you should have the possibility, possess the ability to lead. Because see, tomorrow you have gathered people around you, they are going to work for you, they are going to, be at your command, but finally they are going to look at you for the decision making. They are going to look at you for all the solutions. So you need to have that ability to lead. The leadership qualities does not come just like that. First and foremost, you should know to take the responsibility. Even if there is a fault, yes, I am responsible for it. You have done it because I have told you to do so. Now let us work together and find a solution to overcome that. Let us not throw it out, but within that, how we can best find a second solution and find something better can come out of that. So this is something which we need to have ability to lead, and then we need to have we need to create an appropriate track record over the period of time, maybe over a period of a year or years or a decade. But but within a period of say 3 to 5 years,